Ever accidentally created a duplicate customer profile in Vagaro? Mrs. Smith, but also a Jessica Smith who's actually the same person? It happens to the best of us. Or maybe you had a client book under one name for years, then they got married and started using their new last name, so now you have two separate histories for the same individual. It can be a real headache, right? Trying to piece together appointment history, retail purchases, and service notes from scattered profiles isn't just inconvenient. It can lead to missed opportunities, inaccurate client insights, and a general sense of disorganization that no busy salon or spa owner needs. You're trying to track loyalty points, follow up on a previous service, or simply get a holistic view of your client's journey with your business. And suddenly you're clicking back and forth between two or more entries. It's not just a minor annoyance. It can impact your ability to provide personalized service, manage your inventory effectively based on client preferences, and even run targeted marketing campaigns. Imagine trying to send a birthday discount to a client, only to realize you have two birth dates entered across different profiles, or attempting to rebook them for a service they loved, but the notes are split between two records. It's inefficient, and in the fast-paced world of beauty and wellness, inefficiency costs you time and money. The good news is, Vagaro has a fantastic feature specifically designed to solve this problem: customer merging. This isn't just about tidying up your database. It's about consolidating all of a client's valuable information into a single, comprehensive profile. This means all their past appointments, service history, product purchases, formulas, notes, loyalty points, gift certificates, packages, and even their waivers are all brought together in one place. Think about the power of having a complete, accurate, and easily accessible record for every single client. It empowers you to deliver a truly personalized experience every single time they walk through your doors, or even when you're just reviewing their history before their next appointment. So how do we do it? How do we take those fragmented pieces of client information and seamlessly bring them together? Let's walk through the simple, yet incredibly powerful steps to merge customers in Vagaro. The process is designed to be intuitive, ensuring you can quickly and confidently clean up your client list without any fear of losing valuable data. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your customer list. You can do this by going to your main menu, usually located on the left-hand side of your Vagaro dashboard, and clicking on Customers. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all your clients. Now, you need to identify the duplicate profiles you want to merge. Let's say you have Jane Doe and Jane A. Doe, and you know they're the same person. Once you've located the profiles, you'll need to select them. Vagaro allows you to select multiple customers by checking the box next to their names. It's crucial here to select all the profiles you intend to merge. Don't worry, Vagaro will guide you through which profile will be the master profile, meaning the one all the other information will be merged into. This master profile will be the one that retains its original customer ID. After you've selected your duplicate customer profiles, you'll see a series of actions appear at the top or bottom of your customer list. Look for the Merge Customers option. It's usually represented by an icon or a text link. Click on this option. Vagaro will then present you with a crucial step: choosing the master customer. This is where you decide which of the selected profiles will be the primary profile that all other information is consolidated into. This is important because the master customer's email address and phone number will be the primary contact information after the merge. All other details, like appointment history, purchase records, and notes from the secondary profiles will be added to this master profile. Take a moment here to ensure you select the profile that has the most accurate and up-to-date contact information, or simply the one you prefer to keep as the main record. Once you've selected your master customer, Vagaro will give you a confirmation prompt. This is your final chance to review your selection before initiating the merge. It's designed to prevent accidental merges and ensure you're confident in your choice. Double-check that you've selected the correct profiles and the correct master customer. If everything looks good, confirm the merge. The system will then begin the merging process. Depending on the amount of data associated with the profiles, this might take a few moments. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message. You'll then notice that the duplicate profiles you selected are no longer visible in your customer list. Instead, All their combined information is now under the single master customer profile. Let's talk about what actually happens to the data. It's not just a simple deletion of the secondary profiles. Vagaro intelligently migrates all the relevant data points. This includes every single appointment, past and future, associated with the merged profiles. All service history, including formulas and specific notes from those past services, will be meticulously transferred. Every single product purchased, every retail transaction, will be unified into one comprehensive purchase history. Crucially, any active gift certificates, packages, or loyalty points associated with the merged profiles will also be consolidated into the master profile. This ensures your clients don't lose any accrued benefits. Even waivers they've signed will be moved, maintaining a complete record of their agreements. This comprehensive data transfer means you don't lose a single piece of valuable client information. The benefits of merging customers extend far beyond just a cleaner database. Imagine the time you'll save not having to switch between profiles to get a full picture of your client's history. This efficiency translates directly into more time focusing on your clients and less time on administrative tasks. Furthermore, with a unified client profile, your marketing efforts become much more targeted and effective. You can personalize communications based on their complete service and purchase history, leading to higher engagement and repeat business. From a data analysis perspective, having accurate, consolidated client data allows for more insightful reporting, helping you understand trends, popular services, and client retention rates more clearly. This feature is particularly useful when you have walk-in clients who might not always provide the same information, or if you've been using Vagaro for a while and have accumulated some natural duplicates. It's also invaluable for businesses that have multiple staff members, as different staff might inadvertently create new profiles for existing clients. Regular database hygiene, including merging duplicate customer profiles, is a best practice that can significantly enhance your operational efficiency and client management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.